Can you answer this question in English? What do you do? Easy, right? Now what about, what are you doing this weekend? Maybe a little harder.
And what would you say if someone asked you, why are you learning English? Don't worry. Today we're going to practice 10 common English questions and simple, natural answers.
And stay until the end, because question number 10 is one you will hear very often in real conversations.
Hi everyone, I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily.
Today we are not going to learn difficult English.
We are going to learn simple questions and simple answers that you can use every day.
Listen to each question.
Then pause if you want and say your own answer.
Ready?
Let's start. Question number 1. How are you? Paul, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good too.
This is a very common question. You can say, I'm good, or I'm great, or I'm fine, thank you.
Let's practice. How are you today?
You can say, I'm good, thank you. Question number 2. What do you do? Emily, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. What do you do, Paul?
I'm a software engineer.
Good. Remember, what do you do usually asks about your job. You can say, I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I'm a doctor. I work in an office.
Now you try. What do you do?
Great. Question number 3. Where are you from? Paul, where are you from?
I'm from the United States. How about you?
I'm from Canada.
This question is very useful when you meet someone new. You can answer, I'm from Bangladesh. I'm from India. I'm from Japan. Or simply, I'm from Brazil.
Let's practice. Where are you from? Excellent.
Here is an important one. Where do you live? Emily, where do you live?
I live in Toronto. Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Notice the difference. Where are you from means your country or place of origin. Where do you live means the place where you live now.
For example, I'm from Bangladesh, but I live in London.
Very useful sentence. Now you try. Where do you live? Question number 5. What do you like to do? Paul, what do you like to do?
I like to watch movies. I also like to play football. What about you?
I like to read books and listen to music.
This is a great question when you want to know someone's hobbies. You can say, I like to read. I like to cook. I like to travel. I like to play games.
Let's make it personal. What do you like to do in your free time? Good answer.
Now let's make it a little more interesting. Question number 6. What are you doing? Emily, what are you doing?
I'm talking to you.
That's true.
You can also say, I'm studying English. I'm watching TV. I'm working. I'm cooking dinner.
Remember the pattern. I am plus verb ing. I'm working. I'm studying. I'm eating. I'm watching.
Now answer this. What are you doing right now?
Maybe you're watching this podcast.
Question number 7. What did you do today? Paul, what did you do today?
I worked in the morning. Then I had lunch. And now I'm here with you.
Very good. You can answer with simple past sentences. For example, I went to work. I studied English. I cleaned my room. I visited my friend.
Let's practice. What did you do today? You don't need a long answer. 1 or 2 sentences are enough.
Question number 8. What are your plans for today? Emily, what are your plans for today?
I'm going to work. Then I'm going to meet a friend. What about you?
I'm going to study English tonight.
You can answer, I'm going to work. I'm going to stay home. I'm going to meet my friends. I'm going to study.
This question is useful because people often talk about their plans. So try it now. What are your plans for today?
Now we have a very important question. Why are you learning English? Paul, why are you learning English?
Because I want to speak English with more confidence.
That's a great answer. I can say, I'm learning English because I want a better job, or I want to travel, or I want to talk to people from other countries.
You can also keep it very simple. I love English. I need English for work. I want to improve my English.
Now your turn. Why are you learning English? Remember your answer. It can be your own personal English sentence.
And here is question number 10. You will hear this question a lot. What do you think?
Paul, what do you think about learning English every day?
I think it's a great idea.
Me too. You can answer, I think it's good, I think it's interesting, I think it's difficult, I think it's useful.
Or you can give a longer answer. I think learning English every day is very helpful.
The important thing is, don't be afraid to give your opinion. Even a simple answer is a good answer.
Okay, let's see how much you remember. I'll ask the questions. Try to answer before Emily gives an example. Number 1, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Number 2, what do you do?
I'm a student.
Number 3, where are you from?
I'm from USA.
Number 4, where do you live?
I live in New York.
Number 5. What do you like to do?
I like to read. Today you learned 10 common English questions.
And more importantly, you practiced how to answer them.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to have a conversation.
Start with simple English, speak slowly, and practice every day.
Now tell us in the comments, why are you learning English?
Write your answer in English.
And we'll see you in the next Easy English podcast.
Keep practicing.
And keep speaking.